Hi guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm gonna say I am officially back. It today was the first day of school, so I just got done dropping them off, and then I've got the rest of the day to do art stuff. Um, I still have to film the ending of last week's vlog because that was the music festival vlog, and I haven't done my summary or even gone through my inventory list yet. So yeah, hi. I'm sorry. If you're new here, I'm Shelly. I am a mandala artist, and I have these studio vlogs to share my creative process. I have been an artist for, well, when I say artist, I mean like I have officially called myself an artist for the last, what, 8 years? Yeah, I want to say 8 years. Anyway, welcome. I hope that you enjoy this vlog and we just create together. So, I gotta clean my studio because it is a giant mess. I've got so much stuff here, which is normally in my painting area, and that has to get cleaned up. This whole studio has to get cleaned up. So before we get into anything, that is what we got to do. That's priority number one, is to put stuff away and actually clean up the studio because it's a mess. It's a complete mess. And if I want to do any kind of work, whether it's my full-time job or the studio stuff, this place needs to get cleaned up like bad. So let's get doing that, and then I'm going to do hopefully some editing today for my vlogs that I have a ton of footage. I just haven't had the time to go through it, but now that the girls are back in school, I'm going to have that time, or at least that day, those few hours, to be able to focus on that stuff. And then we're going to go pick up my girls, or I have to walk Jax, my Bernese mountain dog, and then pick up my girls from school, and I am so excited to hear about their day. So excited about that. First day of school is always an emotional because my oldest is a 6th grader now, and she is just looking so mature, and it's heartbreaking. She'll always be my baby, but she's just growing up, and it's just going by way too fast for me. And then my youngest is in 4th grade, and yeah, again, next year she will not be in elementary school, which is crazy to even think about. So, all right, let's get to work, shall we? Okay, future Shelly here. I have to tell you guys a little secret. I have been massively struggling with vlogging again, but the good news is that in this time where I was struggling right now with vlogging, I'm actually back into it now. I am fully ready to start documenting things again, and next vlog is going to be a little bit longer than this one, but I still wanted to make sure that I am still giving you guys a weekly vlog. I know this is kind of just this one's just going to be pretty much a clean with me kind of vlog. So just turn the music up and just follow along, and we'll chat along the way. All right, we're definitely making some progress. Clean, clean, normal stuff. Clean, clean, clean. That right there, I am going to be doing a mixed media canvas, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I have a whole bunch of my mixed media stuff. That is going to be the next big project. I am not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm very, very excited about it. So, still clean, 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 clean. Stuff that I need to put away. Stuff I need to put away for the season. And this is my daughter's art corner. So, there's still a lot of things on the ground, but we are definitely making some progress. Kettle corn from my my friend. I will leave her information below. And Jax just ran off with something. No, Jax! Jax! Hey, drop it. Not for you. That is how you got yourself in trouble before. Anyway, so not too bad. And then there's Zola. Okay. I'm going to keep cleaning and I'll check in with you guys in a while.